today we will be reading How to Grow a Monster. It was spring, the sun was shining, a warm breeze blew. Mom was wearing a funny hat. I knew it was that time of year ago, time to plant the garden. Every year, my sister Kara and I helped Mom plant our garden. My favorite part was digging in the dirt. Mom got out the trowels, gardening forks, and seeds. What should we plant first? She asked. I looked through the seed packets. There were carrots, lettuce, radishes, peas, and oh no, I groaned, not zucchini again. Last summer, we grew tons of zucchini. We didn't know what to do with it all. Mom put it in everything. Zucchini pancakes, zucchini noodles, zucchini loaf, zucchini for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Just thinking about it made me feel green. Don't worry, Gabe. It'll just be a few plants, Mom said. That's what she told us last year, too, Kara mumbled. While Mom was looking for her gardening gloves, Kara pulled me aside. This year, we are going to take care of those zucchini before they take over, she said. I have a plan. A plan? I like the sound of that, Kara whispered in my ear. Then we got to work. Zucchini likes lots of sun. Kara and I tried to plant the seeds in the shady part of the garden. We figured with less sun, the zucchini plants wouldn't grow as well. Some plants need lots of sun to thrive. Other plants do better in shade. Read your seed packets to see what plants will do best. But Mom noticed. Zucchini goes over here, she pointed to a sunny spot. Drat. Don't worry, Kara whispered. I have a plan B. Kara and I were extra helpful in the garden. Every day we weeded and watered. But really, we were spies. We were keeping an eye on the zucchini. Pulling up seedlings to make room for larger plants is called thinning. It can help grow your garden. It gives remaining plants more room to grow. A single zucchini plant can produce more than 6 pounds of zucchini in one season. When the plants sprouted, it was time for action. Kara and I pulled up some of the seedlings. Not all of them, mind you. We left a few for Mom. 4 plants seems like plenty, Kara said, and I had to agree. The plants grew bigger. When flowers appeared, Kara told me the next part of her plan. Zucchini plants have 2 different kinds of flowers, she explained. I read about it in Mom's gardening book. The first kind of flowers pollinate the second kind. That's why we have to pick these flowers. No flowers, no pollination. No pollination, no zucchini. Pollination is when pollen is shifted from the male part of the plant to the female part. Usually the pollen is moved by winds, birds, or insects, such as bees. Won't Mom be mad if we pick them? I asked. Not if we make dinner with them, Kara said. That's the cool part. You can eat zucchini blossoms. Kara and I harvested the flowers. Harvest means to pick or gather crop. Kara found a recipe online. We made zucchini blossom quesadillas for dinner. Mom was really impressed. What a treat, she said. I had no idea you two were such gourmet chefs. Have seconds, Kara said. I thought eating flowers would be weird, but they tasted pretty good. Kara and I thought our zucchini troubles were over, but a week later I spotted some small zucchini on the plants. Uh-oh, I said. We must have missed some flowers. Quick, pick them before they get any bigger, Kara said. Just then, Mom showed up. What's going on? She asked. Kara held out the little zucchini. Look, it's, the first crop. Mom looked surprised. I've never known you two to be so excited about zucchini. Better a few small zucchini now than zillions of zucchini later, Kara whispered. Kara's not exactly right here. Picking early might actually encourage a zucchini plant to grow. For the best flavor, pick zucchini when they are small. We had little zucchini for dinner that night. Mom cooked them in butter. Not bad. Maybe I was starting to like zucchini after all. I thought that would be the end of it, but a few weeks later, I noticed something hiding under the leaves of the zucchini plant. It was big. It was green. It was, yikes! It's a monster! I yelled. Kara and Mom came running. There, beneath the leaves, was the biggest zucchini we had ever seen. Kara grabbed the garden shears. She was about to cut the big zucchini from the vine. Stop! I shouted. What's wrong? Kara asked. Nothing's wrong, I said. It's awesome. That monster zucchini was the coolest thing I'd ever seen in our garden. I couldn't let Kara cut it. I'm going to call it the green zook monster. Greenie for short. You named the zucchini? Kara rolled her eyes. Oh, brother. How big could a zucchini get? I had to find out. Mom helped me do some gardening research. Kara and I had created a monster without even knowing it. We thinned the seedlings, we harvested the small, early zucchini. It turns out that's how you grow a giant zucchini. For the rest of the summer, I took care of my monster. I watered the zucchini plant every week. When the weather was hot, I watered more often. Not all plants need the same amount of water. Celery needs a lot of water, or the stalks will taste bitter. A desert plant, such as cactus, needs much less water. When I saw bugs on the leaves, I picked them off. I planted marigolds nearby to help other pests away from the garden. Marigolds are natural pest control. They put out chemicals, then fights off tiny worms and feed on plant roots. And every day I measured. One day, Greenie grew to 2 whole inches. By late August, Greenie was over 2 feet long. It weighed almost 15 pounds. I was super proud of my monster. Kara wasn't as excited. We're going to be eating zucchini lasagna for months, she grumbled. Actually, Mom said, I have a better idea. We took Greenie to the county fair instead. My zucchini won first prize. Way to go, little bro, Kara said. I can't wait for next summer. I have big plans. I'm going to grow a whole garden of monsters.